Good morning and welcome back to the last video of this trip. Today is day 6 and we're headed to Dubai. Abhi ka plan ye hai that we have two places to go. The first one is their mosque and the second one is their museum. So let's start the day. ग्रैब ब्रेकफास्ट, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं था हमारा। कैब वाला पता नहीं आज लेट हो गया है, इज़ हाफ एन आवर लेट एंड जनरली यहाँ पे जितनी हमने कैब बुक कराई है नोबडी इज़ लेट। अकॉर्डिंगली वील हैव टू लीव अर्ली फॉर द एयरपोर्ट। वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक मिल गया तो गए। जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर हिम। दिस इज़ हाउ आवर होटल लुक्स। इट्स द नोव होटल एंड दिस इज़ लोकेटेड एट द आबू धाबी गेट। इट्स 20 मिनट्स अवे फ्रॉम द एयरपोर्ट, पर ओके होटल है, बहुत दूर है सिटी से। So if you guys are planning a trip to Abu Dhabi, you can avoid this hotel and take a hotel which is in the main city, the central area.
We are going to the Sheikh Zayed Mosque and it's number 8 in the world, like we just got to know, and it's very pretty. We are just going to see it.
So हमें अभी रिजेक्ट कर दिया है because साक्षी and पल्लवी का attire was not appropriate. It's a see-through. सो लकीली पल्लवी की पैंट्स में कैरी कर रहा था ताकि एयरपोर्ट पे चेंज कर ले, और मेरे पास अपने खुद के पजामे हैं। अब तुम दोनों डिसाइड कर लो कौन क्या पहनेगा। उसमें नाड़ा है, टाइट कर लो। सो लेट्स क्विकली गो गेट सम मोर क्लोथ्स फॉर देम एंड देन गो इनसाइड। बोथ ऑफ देम आर लुकिंग सो क्यूट। लेट्स गो गाइस। नाउ आई थिंक यू आर फुल्ली कवर्ड। तुम लोग कवर हो नहीं सकते। बहुत ज़ोर से एसी चाहिए। बाहर बहुत गर्मी थी। एंड में उन्होंने हमें अम्ब्रेला दिया और उससे पहले हम पूरा धूप में घूम रहे थे। सो हम पहुंच चुके हैं साक्षी की फेवरेट जगह, जिसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी। Why do you like this place so much, or why did you want to visit this?
I've always wanted to visit the Paris one and I've not been to Paris yet. So.
तो ये तेरे लिए कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ है?
No, I'm sure this will also be very nice, but so starting with this, then we'll get to Paris.
Let's go.
It'll be like this.
एकदम पास से देखो तो लग रहा है कि इट्स रियली टॉल। So we're at this place called The Public.
Yeah.
And we just ordered a nice pizza. Let's dig in. Pallavi really wanted to try their tiramisu, and and abhi they just came and served us with a nice
With all their theatrics.
all the theatrics. So Pallavi, can we have a review? How is it?
Very good. Like,
Very
totally
good?
worth the hype.
You finished it. Good job. Mili Tripti? Bolte Tripti achieved. Just got done with our lunch or an evening snack. Pallavi and I will go meet Ishta Didi. वो दुबई में रहती है. We'll meet Ishta Didi, Rohan Bhaiya. We'll chill with them for an hour or two and then we'll head back to Abu Dhabi airport. Booking an Uber here in Dubai is such a big task. Pallavi and I were outside for at least half an hour, 45 minutes. We tried to book a cab and we got a booking. Then it started with 18 minutes, 10 minutes, 6 minutes. Then again it shifted to 20 minutes. So we gave up on that. We're trying to cancel it. We got a nice cab right outside where we were waiting. So we just got in. Now we're headed to Ishta Didi's place at Dubai Hills. So we're with Ishta Didi and Rohan Bhaiya. We got such a warm welcome. They have such a beautiful house, such a beautiful society. Thank you Ishta Didi and Rohan Bhaiya for having us.
Thank you for coming actually. Yeah, I thought मैंने insist तो बहुत करा है कि ऐसा ना हो.
But this doesn't count. This
हाँ, you have to stay.
This doesn't count.
ऐसे नहीं होता. You have to.
Chalo, next time we'll plan a longer trip to Dubai. So Rohan Bhaiya has an issue with being in the video or the vlog. Rohan Bhaiya को थोड़ा होता है कि ये नहीं हो सकता. But thank you so much Ishta Didi for having us. Thank you so much.
Give our love to Vihan.
Yes.
We'll see you in India now, Ishta Didi.
Yes.
Very soon.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll be there.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So nice to see you.
It was lovely meeting Rohan Bhaiya and Ishta Didi. We had such a nice time with them. We left for the airport and यहाँ से I hope we don't get much traffic.
लगता but I get very anxious.
Just look at the queue here. It's so big. मैंने साक्षी का पैर तोड़ दिया है to get in fast forward. So let's just hope कि हमें early check-in मिले. साक्षी. हाँ yes. It worked. हमने साक्षी का पैर तोड़ा and we got through the security.
I am committing कि अपना मुझे कितना भी irritate करे, किसी भी ट्रिप पे कुछ भी बोले, मैं कभी लड़ाई नहीं करती.
But honestly बता कितनी लंबी लाइन थी?
We would have taken an hour minimum.
मैंने सिक्योरिटी वालों को बोला पहले मेरी वैन चल नहीं पाती थी बट जैसे उन्होंने हमें सिक्योरिटी से जाने दिया और 1.5 घंटे की लाइन थी उसके बाद हम मिनिमम उसके बाद हमने कौन सा गाना गाया 1 2 3 मेरा यस्सू यस्सू मेरा यस्सू ऑफिशियली साइनिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम द ट्रिप
Abhinav has made up for everything on the trip and he has it's a cherry on
when
top
will you
of a
make it up
great
when you
level.
may never
मैं तो छोटी हूँ ना.
okay so we are signing off from the trip officially now it was a great trip Pallavi
Yes.
you know the drill your experience of the trip
Fantastic. Very good.
कुछ और दो शब्द तो बोलना चाहोगे आप ऑडियंस से
और दो शब्द ये कि अगर हाँ यस और अगर आपने गुड़गांव देखा हुआ है तो आप अवॉइड कर सकते हो.
अरे आबू धाबी भी वो भी तो
आबू
था
धाबी।
बाकू भी तो था
नहीं बाकू डेफिनेटली एवरीबडी शुड गो.
तो सम अप योर
It
एक्सपीरियंस
was a great experience for a short holiday to relax, but and get everything at a very lesser price and get the entire European experience.
Very nice. Baku is a must visit. Baku you must go, but Dubai, Abu Dhabi you can skip. Next time we will pick a better destination and we'll have even more fun because Abu Dhabi and Dubai is not our vibe.
Pallavi your
Same. We missed going to Georgia,
Yeah.
and if Georgia people are watching this, you missed having us.
so this is
Wherever
our
if you
signing
want
off
to eat or something.
officially हर जगह बहुत मजा आया now we're all set to go back and get back on the horse get back to the grind तब तक के लिए शबा खैर take care bye bye and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this series I'll see you in the next series probably very soon I hope so see you in the next one bye bye